And this purport, 8th canto, chapter 16, verse 60, Prabhupada is saying ISKCON means Akhanda Kirtan. ISKCON means the Krishna consciousness movement. There's three principles that should be or should be followed in all ISKCON temples. He's saying here, to repeat, in our Krishna consciousness movement, which is ISKCON, Lord Vishnu is worshipped in every temple according to a schedule of 24 hours of according to a schedule of 24 hours engagement in performing kirtan. So that means Chobis Ganta Akhanda Kirtan, Akhanda Harinam Kirtan. So he said if we carry out these three principles, if we stick to these, we will get the result one gains by observing the Payal Brata ceremony. That result is the pleasure of the Lord, the happiness of God, Krishna. So one principle Prabhupada is saying that we should all stick to, that we, all the members of ISKCON, in all the temples of ISKCON, we should stick to these three principles. And it seems, one can say or draw the conclusion from this verse that the Prabhupada would like us to stick to these three principles. One, every temple should have Akhanda Kirtan, 24 hours chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Two, we should be offering palatable foodstuffs to Lord Vishnu. And then we should be distributing this Mahaprasadam to the Vaishnavas and to the public, to others. Akhanda Kirtan, 24 hours. You could also say that we should have 24 hours Hare Krishna Maha Mantra Kirtan in every temple, and 24 hours offering food to the Lord, and 24 hours distributing Mahaprasadam to the Vaishnavas and the public. Mahaprasad ki jai.